Hey, this is GoingWithGear.com, and today we're going to take a look at a new product I've got in the store called the Kodiak Firestarter. Let's just take a look at the different parts of it. On top you can see you've got a little glow-in-the-dark compass, got a thermometer on the side, piece of paracord attached there with the striker on it, really large magnesium rod, and a firesteel set into that. So hopefully the compass and the thermometer are self-explanatory, so we're going to look at this end, the fire starting part. So the fire steel that's on here, if you take it and just scrape it with the attached striker, you can see it's pretty easy to use. It's a little bit easier to use than the other fire steels that I carry. The sparks don't burn quite as long, but you can still get pretty much anything going with them. Like for instance, if you got some pre-made petroleum jelly cotton balls, if you brought your own tinder, you can take one of them, fluff it up a little bit, and then use the fire steel, just strike it down in there, and usually with one strike you can get it lit. But if you got something that's a little bit more difficult, maybe you didn't bring your own tinder, maybe you don't like bringing your own tinder, you can use the magnesium rod that's on there and just scrape off little shavings of it, make a little pile of them, and then use the fire steel to light the magnesium, which will then light the other tinder that's a little bit harder to get going. So we're just going to use the attached striker and make a little pile of the magnesium shavings. So now that we have a little bit of that, we're going to gather it up, make it easier to light, make it stick together. Got a little bit of wind going here. If you ever have problems with wind blowing away your magnesium or other tinder, what you can do is just scrape it onto a piece of duct tape. That way you don't have it flying off on you. So now that we have that, we're just going to strike the fire steel down in there. You can see it goes up in a nice little white hot flame that makes lighting other harder to light tinders pretty easy. So that's it. Just wanted to show you the Kodiak Firestarter. One thing I did want to note is that the manufacturer has a lifetime warranty on these things. So if you ever use it up or you get to the point where you don't feel comfortable using it anymore, maybe you wear it down really bad or something goes wrong with it, you can send it back to them and they'll send you a free replacement, which is really nice. So if you have any questions, you can reach me in the comments or at GoingWithGear.com.